When setting up your experiment, be mindful not to overload the shelves. Use the bottom shelf for your heavier aquariums and the shelves for the lighter experiments. When setting up hoses to your aquarium, make sure they are of sufficient length to reach your aquarium and to not put tension on the taps. The taps are quite fragile and can break. You can use longer hoses and attach them with cable ties to make sure that they're not too droopy. When managing outflow from your aquarium, make sure that the hoses are sufficiently long to reach the drain so that they don't splash all over the floor. When detaching hoses from the tap, do not yank the hose, but remove it gently. You might need electricity for your experiment. Use outdoor cords for this in these rooms. Also, install them away from the water so that they don't get wet. Do not put them on the ground or where there's water. Keep them dry. The staff can set the temperature in the room and the water to your desired temperature. We do this from a central station out here in the hallway. The water then moves through this thermal system and into your room. The staff will start a tap in the back of your room in order to keep the water flowing through the system and at a constant temperature. Make sure that the hose goes down the drain and doesn't splash all over the floor. The water from the tanks is usually released right out into the fjord. Therefore, if you're working with chemicals or invasive species, we'll need to put measures in place so that nothing harmful is released. Please contact the staff for a solution that will work for your experiment. The station can also help you with safe disposal of your chemicals. Please contact the chemical manager if you need help or if you want assistance with risk assessment or general advice about your chemicals. If you plan on using gases in your experiments, such as carbon dioxide, please contact the staff for risk assessment and safety procedures. Gas can accumulate in the thermal rooms, especially at lower temperatures when the ventilation is turned off, so we need to make sure that everyone involved is safe. We can also help you with ordering gases so that they're available at the station when you need them. When your experiment is finished, turn off all the taps, put away your equipment, and turn off the light when you leave. We hope your experiment here goes well. If you have any questions or need assistance, please contact the staff. Don't be afraid, we don't bite.